Hey everyone, this is Katerina Christakos, and if you're here, it's because you want to learn how to make money with crypto in teeny tiny little baby steps. So, what I'm going to talk to you about today is a course that I just personally took. I paid for it, I went through it, and within the first 5 minutes after implementing, I made money. And this with crypto. So, the course is by James Renouf. He's one of my all-time favorite crypto guys. I have bought every course he's put out, and they're not expensive. And every course he puts out, I make money with crypto. Point blank, that's it. So what does he teach you? He teaches you how to take crypto and earn compounding interest on it. Okay? So within 5 minutes of setting this up, I already started earning money. Now, was it millions of dollars? No. But within minutes, I see the money coming in. And the longer I leave it there, the more money that comes, and it's compounding interest daily. So, how much interest? Well, it varies depending on what you're investing in. But the minimum I'm receiving right now is, I think, maybe 28%. And maximum is, I think it's like 1,500. Now, depending on what you're investing in, the ones with a really high percentage, like the 1,500, or I've even seen higher than that, you just have to be careful, do your research. You can make it, but you have to know what you're doing. The 20%, 30%, 50%, it's very easy to get with crypto. Now, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I am not a lawyer. This is for entertainment purposes only. I'm just telling you what I've done and what works for me. The link for this course is underneath this video. It literally takes you baby steps, exactly how to do this. I've done it personally. It works. I look in my account every day. There's more money in there than there was the day before, ever since I've started using this course. So it's definitely worth it. Click the link below. Get it for yourself. It's not expensive. It's very, very reasonable. And it's worth it because if you implement it, it works. And he teaches you what to do, what to look out for. He's one of the honest ones, which is a very rare thing to see in this industry. But like I said, from the first course to this course, every time he puts something out, I make money. And that's pretty much all I can say about it. So if you're looking for a baby step course on how to make money with crypto, this is it. Go through it, do your due diligence, and take action. And you should be making money the same day. I hope you have a great day, and bye for now.